In this video, we're going to learn about the USAutomatic battery controller. I will show how to plug in a solar panel or DC transformer, how to wire in a solar panel or DC transformer, how to plug in the harness for the battery, how to wire in a battery, what each error means and what the arrows mean, about the USB outlet, and how to power the battery charger. To plug in a solar panel or DC transformer, attach the barrel connector extended plug to the end of your solar panel or DC transformer cable. Plug the solar panel or DC transformer in the barrel connector outlet. To wire in a solar panel or DC transformer, place the red or positive wire into the positive port, then use a small flathead screwdriver to tighten the screw. Place the black or negative wire into the negative port, then use a small flathead screwdriver to tighten the screw. To plug the harness in for the battery, plug the red and black quick connect harness into the red and black terminal. To wire in a battery, place the red or positive wire into the positive port, then use a small flathead screwdriver to tighten the screw. Place the black or negative wire into the negative port, then use a small flathead screwdriver to tighten the screw. The error code E11 indicates the battery voltage is between 8 and 11 volts and needs to be charged or tested. The error code E13 indicates that there is a short in the output load for the USB. When the arrow is flashing, this indicates that the battery is in a floating state, maintaining the battery power. When the arrow is solid, then it's in a charging state to charge the battery up. The power outlet has a 1.5 amp current so that you can charge your phone, plug in lights, or anything that has a USB port. The LCD screen is turned on or powered up by the battery, not by the solar panel or DC transformer. It only has an 8 milliamp power draw. If the screen does not turn on when plugged into the battery, verify cables are making good connection and check your battery's voltage. If the battery is below 8 volts, then the LCD screen will not turn on.